Now let's move on to the next topic, operators. We have seen operators, so many kinds of operators in C language. There are three different types of operators available in C programming, like the unary operators, the binary operators and ternary operators. But here we have less number of operators when compared to C programming environment. Let us see them. The types of operators. Python language supports the following types of operators. First, the arithmetic operators. As we know very well, the arithmetic operators are used for performing arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And in Python we have more flexible kinds of operators to perform arithmetic operations. Let's see them in detail later. Then the comparison operators, which are also called as relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, like this. See, the comparison operators are equal to our C language programming, except this less than, greater than combined together. Then we have assignment operators as usual. Next, the logical operators and or not. Let us see one by one in detail later. Next, bitwise operators, membership operators and identity operators. All these things are special. These membership operators and identity operators are special to Python when compared to the remaining programming languages. So here, bitwise operators all are equal to RC programming. Membership operators are not there in RC program, and identity operators are also not there in RC programming. Now let us see one by one in detail. Arithmetic operators. As we know very well about the arithmetic operators are the symbols that perform their arithmetic operation on the given two operands. Note that the operands must be of numeric type. So numeric means they may be integer type or real type, but they are arithmetic operators only. Let us see. See, first one, the addition. Addition operation is performed using the plus symbol, adds the values on either side of the operator. A plus b equal to 30, a minus b equal to minus 10, where the values for a and b are 10 and 20 respectively. Assume like that. Then subtraction, multiplication, the same symbols are used till the modulus operation. All these operators are similar to our C programming environment, and here we have two more additional operators called exponent operator. In C language, to find the powers of, for example, 2 power 5, if you need to find the operation like this, we need to apply the pow function from math.h. So pow of 2 comma 5 will print the result as 32. And it is a function we used in C programming. But here we have a double asterisk symbol which is used for finding the exponent. That is, here look at this, a double asterisk b equal to 10 to the power of 20. So if a and b are the values, a and b the variables having the values 10 and 20, a double asterisk b equals to 10 power 20. So instead of using a simple function like mathematical function like pow in Python, we can simply use double asterisk symbol. This operator was available in Pascal. Now it is available in Python. Next, another kind of operator, special operator available in C programming is floor division. Here, what is meant by floor? We have a function in C programming called what is that? Ceil. Sorry, I forgot it. Ceil function. The ceil function is a function that is used to get the nearest integer value, nearest upper integer value for the given numeric value. If it is an integer value, the same value is returned. If it is a float value, the nearest upper integer value will be returned by the ceil function. And the opposite to that ceil function is floor. Floor of, say for example, 2.5, it will return 2. Floor of 7.98, it will return 7. Floor of 7, it will return 7. So here 9 by double slash, see floor operator is double slash, 9 double slash 2 is 4. Actually 9 when divided will give 9 when divided by 2 will give 4.5 with this division operation. Then 9.0 divided by 2.0 is equal to 4.0. The division of operands where the result is the quotient in which the digits after the decimal point are removed. This means that any fractional part is there in the result, it is automatically truncated by the floor division operator. Note that the slash operator always performs floating point arithmetic. That means when we divide any number with another integer number, then we get a floating point result. Hence it will always return a float value. Whereas floor division operator can perform both floating point and integer arithmetic. That means if I use both integer values, the result is integer. If I use both real values, it results in real. And if I use any one of the values as a floating point value, then the result will be floating point value. If arguments are of int type, then the result is integer type. If at least one argument is of float type, then the result is float type. Next, comparison operator. So comparison operators are the relational operators that are used to compare any two quantities, and the outcome of these relational operators is either true or false. Like we had in C language. In C language we got the result as 1 or 0 in the C comparison operations. See this double equal to operator used for comparing if both the values are true or not. Both values are equal or not. Then not equal to operator used to find whether A is not equal to B or not. If A is not equal to B, the result is true. If two operands are not equal, then the condition becomes true. See, not equal to operation can be performed using two different operators like this. See, here not equal to exclamatory mark equal to or less than greater than symbols. Both are equal to or both are same operators. Then greater than, if the left hand operand is greater than the right hand operand, the result is true. We know this. Then less than operator, greater than or equal to operator, and less than or equal to operator. These are the common kind of operators we use in every programming language. Then the assignment operators. The basic assignment operator we had seen already is equal to. C equal to A plus B means the value of the result of A plus B is stored in C. Then plus equal to add and assign, we had used this in our C programming. C plus equal to A means the value of C is added to A and the result is stored in C. Then minus equal to, asterisk equal to, slash equals to, modulus equal to, exponent equal to, and floor division equal to, all are combined with the equal to or assignment operator to get the result in a shortest manner. That's why they are called shorthand operators. Then the logical operators. In our C programming, the logical AND operation was performed using double ampersand symbol. The same kind of operation is carried out by the word AND directly. Instead of using symbols, not to get confused, instead of using symbols, we use directly AND operator, A and B. It is very better useful thing for us instead of using the operators. Next, the OR operator was performed using double pipe symbol, and the NOT operation was performed using the exclamatory mark in C programming. But here we have AND, logical OR, logical NOT. The functionality is same, but the symbols are differing. If any one of two operands are non-zero, then the result is true. We know that. Then use it to reverse the logical state of its operand using the NOT operator. Not A and B is true. Suppose not true is false. Next we have bitwise operators in C programming. The same kind of operators are valid in Python also. The bitwise operators are the operators that perform their operation on the individual bits of the given set of operands. So, or single operand it can be. So, binary AND operator, use it to bitwise AND operator, we use it to call it in our C programming. the bitwise multiplication operation is performed by this. Then bitwise OR operator is used to perform bitwise OR operation. Then A greater than A XOR B. See, what is this? Here bitwise addition operation is performed, bitwise multiplication operation is performed, and here when both inputs are same, the output is 0. We know this concept. Similarly, bitwise ones complement, binary ones complement operation is performed by NOT operator, that is complement operator, tilde operator we call it as. Then left shift will shift the bits or the value to the left side by the number of positions we specify. Here look at this, A double less than 2 means shift the bits of value present in A to their left side by 2 positions. Similarly, A right shift 2 will shift the value to the right side. When we shift the bits to the left side, the value increases, and when we shift the value to the right side, the value decreases. Remember that. Then we have the membership operator. This is unique to Python programming. Python's membership operators test for membership in a sequence such as strings, lists, and tuples. Earlier in C programming, while working with arrays, we used to write a sequence of programming statements to find whether a given value is present in the array or not. That is searching operation. To perform the search operation, we have a simple operator called in operator in Python that will find whether this value x in y, whether y is present in x or not, is found, or in reverse, let us say x in y means whether the value of x is present in y or not. If it is there, it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. See, evaluates to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. It is a searching operation. The in operator will find whether the given value is present in the list or not. If it is there, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So the searching, linear search or binary search, all kinds of operations can be simply performed using the in operator. And the logical opposite of this in operator is not in. Evaluates to true if it does not find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. So you can find whether a character is there in string or not, whether a value is there in the list or not, similarly whether a value is there in the tuple or not. So using in and not in operators. Next, identity operators. Identity operators compare the memory locations of two objects. That means whether both are of same type or not are clearly identified by the identity operators. Let's see them. Is an operator that evaluates to true if the variables on either side of the operator point to the same object. Here object means same data type, and false otherwise. Suppose x and y are of type integer, then x is y. Here is results 1 if both id of x and id of y are integer or same type. Is not is opposite to this, evaluates to false if the variables on either sides of the operator point to the same object, and true otherwise. X is not y. That means if x is of one type and y is of another type, this particular operator will return true. That means x is of integer and y is of float type. X is not y. It is obviously true. The Python operator precedence. As we have the operator precedence in C programming, here also we have the operator precedence, which which gives the priority number of the operation to carry out in a particular expression. The table that lists all the operators from the highest precedence to the lowest precedence is this one. As we know, any operation enclosed in parenthesis has the highest precedence. Next comes exponentiation, then comes the complement operator, the plus operator, minus operator. These are unary operators. Then all arithmetic operators like multiplication, division, modulo division, and one more operator that we have is floor division operator. Next, As usual in RC programming, plus and minus, just one number is added. Then shift operators, the bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator and exclusive OR operator, then the relational operators, then assignment operators, then identity operators, next membership operators, finally not OR AND, that is the logical operators. Here in Python we have less number of operators and the least precedence goes to logical operators only. We know what is an expression already. Let us see them in detail, in brief. An expression is a combination of variables, constants and operators written according to the syntax of Python language. In Python, the expressions is a combination of variables, constants and operators, as we have seen earlier. Expressions are evaluated using the assignment statement. Variable is equal to expression. Example, a equal to 10 is an assignment, b equal to 22 is an assignment, c equal to 34 is an assignment. See, x is equal to a into b plus c. Here the first operation is carried out with the multiplication, then the result is added. Similarly, b and c are multiplied together, the result is subtracted used from this a. Similarly, first c is multiplied, then addition is performed and finally a is subtracted from that result. See the results. Output, say 254 minus 738, 1178 and so on. Thank you. This is about your operators concept.